Good day, fellow DIYers. In today's episode, we're actually going to make something that you, as my viewers, suggested. A few weeks ago, I've done a review of my Makita sander, and I did say that the foot plate for this sander, the hook and loop system, actually wears off really quick. Today, we're going to try something to see if we can actually fix that a lot cheaper rather than changing the plate itself. Check out the video. So a couple of my viewers suggested on that video that, well, actually what I could do is to buy some velcro, and I did. Allegedly it's heavy duty, and I believe it's a 1 meter long. It costed £3 so that's very cheap. The new original foot plate cost around £30. Now I also managed to pick up a non-original part for just under £8. If you're interested, I'll leave links to all of it down below in the description of this video. So this video is just a really quick experiment to see if, gluing on some velcro will actually work. So the first job in this experiment is to cut some velcro to the shape of the pad. Let's do that now. Okay, so we've got that sorted. That was fairly easy. And the next thing is we just need to level this surface out of the pad itself, because there is still a bit of remaining of that hook and loop system. Not much, to be absolutely honest with you. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use some sandpaper and basically sand it off. So for a while I was thinking, how the bloody hell should I attach these two pieces together? And I was thinking about super glue, but I thought that could be a little bit too brittle, too hard when it dries. So I'm going to try this spray adhesive, see how it goes. I hope you can see it, and obviously I will test it out, and we'll check it out if after a few hours this will come off or not. If it will, we'll try something else. If it won't, there we go, bit of a success. So that's what I'm going to use and do right now. Okay, so it's been about half an hour, and let's have a look if it's actually managed to attach itself. Yeah, it seems to be holding quite well. But the test will tell if it actually will hold on to the base plate, to the pod itself. So yeah, let's whack it on the sander itself, and let's give it a sand. Well, it works. It's holding the disc, and no issues at all, as you've seen. And it's holding the disc really well. So the normal velcro, this is allegedly heavy duty. I have to say, the amount of pressure you have to use to actually take the disc is far greater than the replacement I've bought for the £8. So I'm really happy about it. Obviously time will tell how long the glue will last on the velcro and how long the velcro will last itself under the pressure and the RPMs. Now obviously, quick overview, an option for you if you've got a similar problem like I have. Obviously it could be a totally different machine, and yes, so far I'm actually quite happy. Original replacement for the foot plate, as mentioned before, for the Makita, 30 quid. A third party pad replacement, £8. About a meter of velcro, £3 British. That will last me forever. So as you can see, we managed to get the really absolute value option here to the best budget option to help support this tool in good performance and at minimal cost to run. I'm really happy with that, and thank you all to you that made that comment under the original video for this machine. Thank you very much, because it seems to actually be the best way to do with the Velcro. Obviously the quality of the repair will depend on the glue you have used to attach the Velcro to the pad itself, as you know, that will determine how long it will last basically. By the looks of things, the glue I've used, that self-adhesive, seems to be working fine, but obviously I will take it for a spin. I'll be using it for a month or two to see how it performs and if there's any issues, and you can be sure I will let you know my findings in about a couple of months, so you can be assured that which option is basically the best. If you enjoyed this video, drop me that like button down below. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel as well. If you're interested in any other projects that I've made, I will link them just over here. Go and click it, have a look yourself. There may be something that will be an interest to you. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Take care.